He's engaged in surveillance with the City of Ontario. Here are all my shadows. He's gang stalking with the demon coming from behind. License 70638 Apple 3. Stalking together. I'm going to get his license plate. He represents a company. License plate. And they're all stalking together. They all come behind here. License 16466 Thomas 1. These are co-conspirators of murder. These are demons. License plate 9LXY544. And this is a company that's a co-conspirator of murder. And the employee is engaging in share, coming out and maintaining any inventory, anything he looks like Hulk Hogan. He's going to be federally prosecuted. He's conspiring murder, engaging in surveillance with the City of Ontario and the people of the state in the City of Ontario. 36405J4. This is P.O.C. Light. The entity is keeping the fake moon over me. He is engaged in that pattern of conduct where the entity is stalking with that population and does so under the guise of a company. California 529, he's engaged in federal stalking on a communication device, and he's conspiring my murder pursuant to a purchase that this entity made regarding being able to successfully get away with, for a price, murdering me and kidnapping me in order to do so. North Star is a gang stalker. All right, this is people in the state are monitoring, and they're stalking me while you're looking at this light activity. It's impossible light activity that's occurring in the dark. This is a demon, and this is a corrupt company, and that's a RICO case. All right, so dark. There's the ice rink isn't open. Andy's Burgers isn't open. This is an entity that's engaging with a stalking with light, demons, sharing in surveillance in this demonic environment. And you're going to prosecute criminally, and then you're going to prosecute civilly. That's impossible light while a demon. Psychopathic pacing, maintaining that surveillance. P.O.C. P.O.C. He's surveilling while the entity is flying, doing cartwheels by commercial plane, while flying over the B&G Plaza. He's right here monitoring while the demons are maintaining a means of psychopathic pacing. P.O.C. Andy's Burgers is monitoring. You already know that. FSM Food Service is gang stalking. This is OMNITRANS engaging in surveillance 1410070. The same exact criminal pattern of conduct. Businesses engaging in that pattern of conduct and doing so on what is it's 5:40 a.m. This is P.O.C. It's light activity relevant positioning in the specific environment under the fake moon with the people of the state engaging in psychopathic pacing while the airport is targeting and this location. And you already know that OMNITRANS is a gang stalker. They're also a sex offender. License 5UWF373 and the number 487. OMNITRANS is a heavily documented terrorist. They are a state actor, Alan D. Wapner, associated with this corrupt transportation line as well. That's Impossible Light along the wall over there. This is somebody that's monitoring. This is P.O.C. And this is a co-conspirator of murder. Okay, going under the title of Transit Supervisor, a co-conspirator of murder, a violent sex offender, and I'm going to prosecute OMNITRANS and the demons engaging in this pattern of conduct with the people of the state. This is P.O.C. It is currently 5:41 a.m.